Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish, and I be Trouble. And if you're a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past.
Alright, it is another Beauty Ninja Mask Monday, which means we're going to put on a mask. I have the Be Pure Cherry Glitter Jelly Mask. Because why not? Figured I'd try it. It's from the Dollar Tree. And we have another Whatnot haul from my husband, because content. But this is also a collaboration with Beauty Ninjas, and a link for the playlist will be in the description box. Go check everyone out and see what they have going on for their Mask Mondays. So we're going to put on our mask, our little egger suit mask, and then we're going to get into it. Alright, this one says, cleanse your face, apply the mask, leave on for 10-15 minutes, and rinse with warm water. Now, I'm not going to rinse it with warm water on here. I will do that after I'm done with the video, but we'll do that later. Alright. Okay. So, this is an actual gel mask, which I'm going to have to wash off. So, we cannot put our egger suit mask on. I thought this was a sheet mask. It is not. So, I mean, I have a towel right here. If I need to rinse my hands off or whatever, I can use a makeup wipe. So, let's put this on. This should be interesting. It smells like strawberries. Cherries. Well, it says cherries, but it actually smells more like strawberries. I hope it is okay to get it in my eyebrows, because, well, I already did. I don't know how much of this I'm supposed to put on or how thick it's supposed to go on, but we're just gonna go for it. Really has a familiar smell to it. I'm trying to place it. Okay, I think that is enough of that. And there are very fine glitters all over my hands, so there's that. Alright, so we're going to start with my husband's Whatnot haul. Now, there was a small electric toothbrush in here that was pink that we bought for my niece Nova, but she has already gone, and so we do not have that. That was $5. Now, then he won a giveaway for the followers. It was a 2.4G wireless mouse. Plug and play, stable connection, comfortable and noiseless click. Oh, it's cute. It is baby blue and baby pink. That's cute. Alright. So he won that. So didn't cost him anything. The next thing he bought was this. And this is Tatcha the water cream. Now, I don't know if this is actual Tatcha or not. But it cost him $3. I don't know what Tatcha smells like, so it's whatever. So there's that. I will use that. Alright, and the next thing he got was this, and it cost him $1. It says it is a spice pen. You load it up with spices, and you make little designs on coffee. Now, I'm not really sure why there's two of them. Oh my gosh. There's a white one and a pink one. And I don't know why he got these. Because they're neither one of us really drink coffee. I'm more of a energy drink kind of person, and so is he. So I don't know. I'm lost on this one. I think he just got it because he got it. I don't know. But that cost him $1. I'm going to make sure that's not on my lip. This feels a little funny on my lip. Alright, and then 63. This is the next thing, and he got this for $1. It is a premium headset stand. Now obviously that's not for me, and I'm not going to open that, but I assume that's exactly what he wanted, so that's what he got. Alright, and then he got this, which was $2. Professional. That's what it says. It's a little beard trimmer guy. Decorative. Looks like it has a dragon on it. So there's that. Then he got these, and I don't know how much he spent on these because these came separately with different a different slip. So this is Gucci Bloom, and it is a tiny little perfume bottle. There's that. And there is the Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia, which I'm excited about because it's one of my favorites. Alright, this he got for $2. It is a little purse. Open it up like that, and like that, and there is a pocket there, and a pocket here, and a little flap pocket here for like extra stuff. And I don't know why he got this, but I'm assuming he got it for me, or maybe his mom. I don't know. And then he got two of these, and they are backpack purses with the graffiti style. It has a zipper pocket in the back here, a little side pouch on each side, a small pouch on the front, and then the big zipper pouch, which has two like cell phone type pockets here, a large pouch area, a zipper pouch with a flap pocket, and then another zippered pocket there as well. He got one of these for, let's see, he got one of these for $1 and one of these for $2. Now, I am going to take one of these and I'm going to put it in a giveaway because I need two of them. And why not? So that will go into the giveaway box. Alright, and then Renee gave me a gift for house sitting for her, which she doesn't have to give me a gift to house sit for her. I just go over there and feed her dog and, you know, give her treats and make her my best friend. That's all, you know. It's not like I'm like over there all day, every day or anything. I go over there once a day and, you know, I get doggy snuggles. So, like, I thought that was the gift. Alright, so anyways, I got this Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser, which we love a good cleanser. Alright, and then I got this Whipped Lip and Cheek Tint. Go by Glimmer. And there is this, I think this is Blushed Rose. That is the shade, which Hey. Alright, and then I got Champagne Toast Gentle Foaming Hand Soap, which we love hand soap over here. She keeps me supplied on the hand soap for my bathroom. It's great. And then we got Winterberry Wonder Bath and Body Works Daily Nourishing Body Lotion. And so, once I am done with the soap in the bathroom, I will definitely be putting that one up. Alright, and then I made an order from Sephora because I had points for walking and points for scanning my receipts and stuff. So I was like, okay, well, I'll make an order because I have gift certificates or gift cards things. It came with a little sample of the Sauvage, the Johnny Depp cologne, which I give to my husband. And then I got a sample of the Caudalie Skin Perfecting Serum. Little foil packet. But what I ordered was the Juliet Has a Gun Deluxe Miniature Sample Limited Edition set. And it has all of these in there. It has Pear Incorporated. It has Lust for Sun, Not a Perfume, Juliet, and Ode to Dullness. Yeah, Ode to Dullness. But I'm excited to try these out because I really, really liked the vanilla vibes that from this brand. So I was like, okay, well, I'll try out the other ones. So I got all these. Oh, instant perfume overload. Whew. All right. So we will open those and put them out in the bathroom with the rest of my perfumes. All right. I'm going to go rinse my face off real quick because it's starting to make my lips feel funny. So I will be right back. Alright, so I will not be using that face mask ever again. I just left my face covered in glitter. Little tiny, tiny glitters. And my face, I mean, honestly doesn't really feel any different. But I think it was more along the lines of a gimmick. So, I won't be doing one of those masks again. We have learned our lesson. And those towels and that wash rag is definitely going into the wash, which I'm assuming is going to cover everything in glitter. So thank you, Be Pure. Alright, so like I said, this is a collaboration with Beauty Ninjas, and if you'd be so kind to go down into the description box and click the link for the playlist and check out the other ladies and see what they have going on, I'd be forever grateful. Alright, so go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff is below. Stick around, see what we have going on, you know, next time. Hopefully it won't be covering ourselves in glitter. Alright, I am going to go scare my husband with my glitter face. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the